Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make hard cooked eggs in the air fryer oven. This has been an experimentation process. We tried once before and had a lot of difficulties, but now I think we've cracked the code. And so let me tell you what we're going to do. We've got our air fryer oven here. This is a Cuisinart air fryer oven. I've got the air fryer basket and the drip tray in here. And I've got 4 eggs just right out of the refrigerator. You don't need to preheat your air fryer or anything like that. So we're going to hard cook these in our air fryer. A couple of notes, anytime you want to hard cook eggs, you want to make sure and look at them and see if any of them are cracked, have any like little cracks or anything like that, because that's going to make your eggs, the stuff come out and possibly explode. So you don't want that. So anyway, let's get right to it. We're going to put our 4 eggs in our air fryer basket here, and look, this one is really, really large. You could make a lot of hard cooked eggs. So we want our eggs to be perfectly cooked, and to do that, we do 250 degrees for 15 minutes. So I'm going to start that up right on the 15 minutes. Yeah, these are going to result in a nice hard-cooked white, partially almost all the way hard-cooked yolk, maybe a little soft on the center of the yolk. Makes it just not so dry. It's going to be really, really delicious. So anyway, I'll be right back with my hard-cooked eggs. Okay, our eggs are finished. So I'm going to pull them out of the air fryer basket, and I'm going to put them in this bowl, and then I'm going to run water, cold water, over them. You could have put ice water in this bowl. It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to run cold water over these until they're cool, completely cool. Okay, let's crack these babies up and see if they're cooked perfectly. So these, you know how to peel a hard-boiled egg, I hope. Just get that membrane off of there. And they do get a little brown, but they're peeling. They're peeling really nicely. Okay, let's cut it open. The moment of truth. Oh man, that's perfect. Okay, how do you like your eggs? I like mine with just salt and pepper. That's it. So I've got some salt and pepper here. I'm just going to sprinkle some on top. A little bit more pepper. Yum! Nothing like a good hard-cooked egg. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Oh, and don't forget, you can click this box right here and you can watch my video for tuna and egg salad. I think it's tuna salad and egg salad. You can use this air fryer recipe to make your eggs, to put in your egg salad. It'd be so, so yummy and easy. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.